Worst health insurers in 2025. Ombudsman data reveals. Shocking truth. Health insurance is supposed to protect us when we need it most. During illness, hospital visits, emergencies. But what if the company you trusted rejects your claim, drags the process for months, or denies you outright? In this video, we dig into 2025 insurance ombudsman data to reveal which health insurers are getting the worst reviews and the most complaints from real policyholders. Stay tuned, because your next insurer could be one of these. The Insurance Ombudsman, in India, is a grievance redressal mechanism where policyholders can file complaints when insurers don't resolve issues satisfactorily. The Ombudsman reports track complaints by insurer, by nature of complaint, claim rejection, delay, settlement, etc. In FY 2023-24, health insurance complaints surged. Some names keep appearing at the top of the complaint charts. Let's get into them.
Top health insurers with most complaints in 2025. Here are the insurers getting dumped in the Ombudsman's complaint lists right now. Insurer highlights, just key issues. What people are complaining about. Star Health. The number one in complaints, received over 308 complaints in FY24, the highest among all health insurers. Care Health Insurance, high complaint volumes. Markedly large number of grievances, especially on claim rejections and delays. Niva Bupa. Among top in grievances, frequently cited in Ombudsman data as having unresolved or delayed claims. Note, having many complaints doesn't automatically mean total failure, but it's a red flag, especially when normalized per policyholders. Also, regulators have flagged serious lapses in claim settlement practices at Star Health following inspections. And in FY 23-24, public sector insurers also drew attention. The Ombudsman got 5,298 complaints against public sector health insurers. So yes, both private and public players are under scrutiny. From the Ombudsman data and news reports, these are the recurring issues: claim rejection or repudiation. Many complaints cite outright rejection of claims without adequate justification. Excessive delays. Even after documentation, insurers drag the process for months. Cashless facility denials, network hospital issues. Policyholders claim they were denied cashless treatment or hospitals were de-empaneled. Poor communication, lack of transparency, insurers not responding or giving vague reasons. Policy cancellation, lapse arguments. Some claims are denied citing technical lapses or minor errors. Regulatory lapses. IRDAI inspections have found procedural failures in claims practice. These are not isolated cases, but recurring themes in multiple Ombudsman reports and media coverage.
Let me share a few real examples to illustrate. In one case, a policyholder's Rs. 50,000 health claim was rejected, and the insurer even cancelled the policy citing a clerical error, despite timely premium payments. The person escalated to the Ombudsman and won. IRDAI found serious lapses in Star Health's claim settlement practices after inspections across 8 to 10 health insurers. Star Health was also embroiled in a data leak where millions of customer records were compromised, an event that further eroded trust. These stories show how complaint data translates into real hardship for policyholders. Here are some systemic and strategic reasons behind high complaint volumes. 1. Aggressive underwriting and exclusions. Policies with many fine print exclusions make claims harder to approve. 2. Operational inefficiencies. Backlog. Weaker back-end claim processing leads to delays. 3. Understaffing in grievance resolution. Insurers' internal dispute forums are weak. 4. Profit motives. Rejecting or delaying claims saves money for insurers. 5. Poor regulation oversight historically, though IRDAI is tightening rules. 6. Lack of transparency. Policy terms, documentation requirements, hidden or confusing. So, high complaints are often a symptom, not the disease itself. Now, before you switch off, here's the takeaway for viewers, future or existing policyholders. Do due diligence. Look at insurer complaint data, settlement ratios, customer reviews. Read policy fine print carefully, especially exclusions, waiting periods, sublimits. Document everything. Keep records, bills, emails, approvals. Follow escalation path. Start with insurer grievance cell, IRDAI, ombudsman. Use ombudsman data. Use it as a red flag, not final verdict. Switch wisely. A provider with fewer complaints isn't perfect, but fewer red flags is safer. Also, IRDAI is pushing a new guideline, internal ombudsman, to strengthen insurer internal grievance mechanisms.
So that's our deep dive into which health insurers are drawing the most ire in 2025, according to Ombudsman and regulatory data. Star Health, Care Health, and Niva Bupa are frequently named in complaint charts. But remember, complaint count is only one metric. It doesn't capture the full story. Always study policies, compare claim settlement performance, and stay vigilant as a consumer. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Have you faced issues with health insurers? I'd love to hear. Until next time, stay insured, stay protected, but stay informed.